Meaning of ignite.
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 Ignite. The word ignite means to set something on fire or to cause something to start burning. It is also used figuratively to describe the initiation or escalation of a conflict or intense emotion. When something ignites, it undergoes a rapid chemical reaction that produces heat and light, transforming it into a powerful, sometimes destructive force. In human terms, we might say that a passionate speech ignited a movement or that a heated argument ignited long-standing animosity between two parties. Ultimately, the act of igniting something carries with it the potential for significant and far-reaching consequences.